Hey there, it's Sylrette. In this video, I'm going to show you how to safely prepare aloe vera as a treatment before shampooing. First, let's prepare the aloe vera.
You took my breath away. I didn't know what to say. All of my friends told me to run away, to run away, to run away.
Promise me I won't feel dumb if I made you my number one. My friends all think that I should run like run Forrest run, Forrest, run. Like run, Forrest, run, Forrest, run. Run, Forrest, run, Forrest,
somebody
run.
told me that I should just run away. She ain't the one, gotta run, see another day. Might be fun in a month, she'll be gone away. And then it's on to the next, what did someone say? That I should run away, but I couldn't. My little snack packed after all the work I put in. Had me sky high when I land, need cushion. Broken elevator, but then I keep pushing. Don't waste your time on me. At least that's what I try to say. Don't waste your time on me. But it still happens every Saturday. Don't waste your time on me. I don't think you can find love that way. Don't waste your time on me. But we finna find out today.
So promise me I won't feel dumb if I make you my number one. My friends all think that I should run. Like run, Forrest, run, Forrest, run.
So I'm back. It's been maybe like 30 minutes. So I'm just gonna rinse this out. And this is how it's looking. Just gonna open one of them. Yeah, so I'm gonna rinse it out and then shampoo with this Aunt Jackie's, I forgot the name, Aunt Jackie's Oh So Clean shampoo, and then I'm gonna condition with Aunt Jackie's In Control, and I'll be right back. So I've just put the conditioner on, and this is how my hair looks with conditioner. All the little ringlets are just on display. Okay, so I've just rinsed out the conditioner and now I'm just going to LOC, twist my hair, and then I'll just let it air dry overnight. So, actually no, not LOC, LCO. So for my leave-in, I'm using Aunt Jackie's Quench leave-in conditioner. For my cream, I'm using Dark and Lovely or Naturale Easy Styler Plaiting Pudding. And for my oil, I'm using Amla Oil, and it's also mixed with Jamaican black castor oil and Hair Placenta. I'll put a picture on the screen so you can see what those products look like. So yeah, it's actually a mix. That's why it's looking kind of light green. So yeah, skin is so dry. So far I haven't used any combs at all today, so that's pretty good.
Like run, Forrest, run, Forrest, run.
Hey,
Run, Forrest, run, Forrest,
some
run.
people told me that you can get far on your own. Don't worry about the people on your phone. They can stay their ass at home. So I'ma get gone for myself, get gone for no one else. Ooh, yeah, I heard you were trouble. Spent a few weeks in the bubble, had a triple-double. Woo, I guess I'ma find out. I'm not a hooper, I'm a shooter in your mind now.
She said you better be smart, boy. You've been playing with my heart, boy. And all the trips to Japan and the rise in the lamb, I just don't know where to start.
So let's talk about the aloe vera. So honestly, my hair felt really soft after I left it on, after the 30 minutes. And I must say the detangling that I was doing was like quite easy. Like it does help to add like a little conditioner or an oil if that's what you prefer to detangle with. You should keep this in the fridge because, whoa, I just dropped it. You should keep this in the fridge because you don't want it to go bad. If you want it to last longer and stay fresh, keep it in the fridge. I'm gonna keep using this aloe vera as a pre-poo for like the next few months and see how it turns out, and I'll do an update later. I'm also gonna start doing the LCO method again. I kind of stopped because I felt like it was using a lot of product and my hair just felt weighed down and it was taking forever to dry, but we are going into winter now, so my hair definitely needs a lot more moisture than I've been giving it. The aloe vera did feel a little bit itchy, like on the back of my neck, but since I rinsed it off, that itchiness has stopped. So I have to see if it's not good for me and it's causing like a lot of like weird skin problems and breakouts, then obviously I'll have to stop using it. Also, blending the aloe vera gel and then using the sieve to get out all those little pieces, that definitely helped. It was super easy to rinse out. I didn't have any little flakes, as you can see. The only thing in my hair right now is a whole lot of moisture, so definitely don't skip that part. The only downside is that when you blend it, it becomes really watery. So yeah, that's the only thing. But I mean, compared to not having to pick flakes out of your hair, I'd say it's okay. One thing I don't really like about using aloe vera juice is the smell. Like, it has this very outside in the grass kind of smell, which I didn't really like. But adding the conditioner, the Dark and Lovely Not Out conditioner, which has that mango in it and it has that really nice fruity smell, that really helped like throw off that really strong herbal smell. Yeah, just keep that in mind. I would not use this as like a leave-in or something like to leave on my hair and go out. I'd rather put it on, leave it for a while, and then rinse it out because of that smell and the slight itchiness that I felt, not just on my neck, but like also on my hands. We'll see how that turns out. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
And then the way that you hold me feels like you already know me. All of my notions